Welcome to Tech Minds. Explore the latest in agriculture and heavy machinery. Join us for cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions in farming and construction. Stay tuned. The Bagby C773 EV5 is a state-of-the-art machine designed to revolutionize agricultural operations, particularly in the realm of bagging and packaging. Known for its efficiency and precision, this machine handles various types of crops, ensuring they are bagged securely and ready for transport or sale. With its high capacity, the Bagby C773 EV5 can process large quantities of produce, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The machine features advanced sensors and automation technology, reducing the need for manual intervention and significantly increasing productivity. Its versatility allows it to be compatible with different bag sizes and types, accommodating a wide range of agricultural products. The machine operates by loading crops into its hopper and then using a series of conveyors and automated arms to sort and direct the produce into designated bags. The Fluid TR Combine Trailer is designed to work in conjunction with combine harvesters, providing an efficient solution for transporting harvested crops from the field to storage or processing facilities. This trailer boasts a large capacity, capable of holding a significant amount of harvested material, which reduces the number of trips needed. Constructed from durable materials, it withstands the rigors of field conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. The trailer is also designed for ease of use, with simple hitching and unhitching mechanisms that make it easy to attach to various combine models. In operation, once the combine harvester has collected the crops, the Fluid TR Combine Trailer is brought alongside. The harvester then unloads its contents into the trailer through a discharge chute. The PR2500 Double Drum Plastic Mulch Lifter Packer is an innovative agricultural machine designed to lift and pack plastic mulch used in crop production. This machine simplifies the process of removing plastic mulch from fields after the growing season, a task that can be labor-intensive and time-consuming if done manually. The PR2500 is equipped with two drums that work in tandem to lift the mulch off the ground and pack it neatly for disposal or recycling. Its robust design ensures it can handle the tough conditions of agricultural fields, providing reliability and efficiency. As it moves through the field, the machine lifts the plastic mulch and simultaneously packs it, making the process quicker and more efficient. This functionality not only saves time, the AccuCut Concrete Surfaces Giant is a powerful machine designed for cutting and shaping concrete surfaces with high precision. This machine is particularly useful in large construction projects where precise concrete cutting is required. The AccuCut utilizes advanced laser-guided technology to ensure accuracy in every cut, making it ideal for complex and large-scale concrete work. Its robust build and powerful motor enable it to handle even the toughest concrete surfaces, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. The machine operates by positioning itself over the area to be cut, and using its laser guidance system, it accurately follows the desired cutting path. This level of precision reduces the need for additional finishing work, saving both time and resources in construction projects. The BCS Reaper Binder is a versatile agricultural machine designed to cut and bind grain crops in a single operation. This machine is ideal for small to medium-sized farms, providing an efficient solution for harvesting grain crops like wheat, oats, and barley. The BCS Reaper Binder cuts the crops and binds them into sheaves, ready for collection and processing. Its compact design and easy maneuverability make it suitable for use in fields with tight spaces or uneven terrain. The machine operates by moving through the field, cutting the grain crops with its sharp blades. As the crops are cut, they are fed into the binding mechanism, which ties them into neat sheaves. The The New Holland CR11 is a highly advanced combine harvester designed for high-efficiency crop harvesting. Known for its innovative twin rotor technology, the CR11 offers superior grain separation and quality, making it a top choice for large-scale farming operations. The machine is equipped with a powerful engine and large grain tank, allowing it to handle extensive fields and large volumes of crops. Its advanced cab design provides exceptional comfort and visibility for the operator, enhancing productivity and reducing fatigue during long harvesting hours. The New Holland CR11 operates by cutting the crops and feeding them into the twin rotors, which efficiently separate the grain from the chaff. The clean grain is then collected in the grain tank, while the chaff is expelled back onto the field. The Garmic Planter is an innovative planting machine designed to streamline the sowing process in various types of agricultural fields. This machine is known for its precision and efficiency, ensuring that seeds are planted at the optimal depth and spacing for maximum growth potential. The Garmic Planter is suitable for a wide range of crops, including vegetables, grains, and legumes. It features advanced seeding technology that allows for uniform seed distribution, which is crucial for achieving high crop yields. The machine operates by creating precise furrows in the soil, depositing seeds at the desired depth, and then covering them with soil. This process is automated and can be adjusted to accommodate different types of seeds and planting conditions. The mounted wood splitter for mini excavators is a versatile attachment that transforms a mini excavator into an efficient wood splitting machine. This attachment is designed to split logs and other wooden materials with ease, making it ideal for forestry operations, landscaping, and firewood production. The wood splitter is mounted onto the arm of a mini excavator, allowing it to leverage the excavator's hydraulic power for splitting tasks. This setup provides a powerful and efficient means of handling large quantities of wood, reducing the physical effort required and increasing productivity. The machine operates by positioning the log in the splitter's jaws and then using hydraulic pressure to drive a splitting wedge through the wood. This process quickly and effectively splits the wood into smaller, manageable pieces. The SPV2 is a specialized vehicle designed for precision planting and fertilizing in agricultural fields. This machine combines the functions of planting and fertilizing, ensuring that seeds are sown and nutrients are applied in a single pass. The SPV2 is equipped with advanced GPS and sensor technology, allowing it to operate with high accuracy and efficiency. It is suitable for a variety of crops and can be adjusted to accommodate different planting patterns and fertilizing needs. The machine works by navigating the field using its GPS guidance system, which ensures straight and evenly spaced rows. As it moves, it plants seeds at the optimal depth and applies the appropriate amount of fertilizer. The Speed Rower Plus series is a range of high-performance hay and forage harvesting machines designed to deliver exceptional speed and efficiency. These machines are built to handle large-scale hay and forage operations, providing reliable and high-quality results. The Speed Rower Plus series features powerful engines and advanced cutting technology, allowing them to cut and condition hay quickly and effectively. The machines are also equipped with comfortable operator cabs, providing excellent visibility and reducing fatigue during long hours of operation. In the field, the Speed Rower Plus series operates by cutting the hay or forage with its sharp blades, then conditioning it to promote faster drying. The conditioned hay is then laid out in uniform windrows, ready for baling. This efficient process ensures that the harvested forage retains its nutritional value and quality, making the Speed Rower Plus series an essential tool for modern hay and forage farming.